Hello, welcome to the Mark Janad Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to talk about some certification programs that you're going to want under your belt. It's going to really help you not only on your resume, but going to give you some quality information to keep in there. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Number one, this is the CISSP. Now, keep in mind you need 6 years of experience for this. So the CISSP certification from the Cybersecurity Professional Organization, the ISC2, ranks among the most sought after credentials in the industry. Earning your CISSP demonstrates that you're experienced in IT security and capable of designing, implementing, and monitoring a cybersecurity program, right? Number two, and this is a very nice one to get. Now, it's the CISA, the Certified Information Systems Auditor. And this credential from IT Professional Association, also known as ISACA, helps demonstrate your expertise in assessing security vulnerabilities, designing and implementing controls, and reporting on compliance. It's among the most recognized certifications for careers in cybersecurity auditing. Number three, Certified Information Security Manager, which is a step above the CISA, which we just talked about. Now, with the CISM certification, also from ISACA, you can validate your expertise in the management side of information security, including topics like governance, program development, and program incident and risk management. Number four, CompTIA Security Plus. And CompTIA Security Plus is an entry-level certification that validates the core skills needed in any cybersecurity role. With this certification, demonstrate your ability to access the security of an organization, monitor and secure cloud, mobile, and Internet of Things environments. Now, understand laws and regulations related to risk and compliance, and identify and respond to security incidents. And let's also get the comment section going. Is there anyone you think I've missed so far? Number five, Certified Ethical Hacker, which is the CEH. And ethical hacking, also known as white hat hacking, penetration testing, or red team, involves lawfully hacking organizations to try and uncover vulnerabilities before malicious players do. The EC Council offers the CEH, which is the Certified Ethical Hacker certification. So you can earn it to demonstrate your skills in penetration testing, attack detection, vectors, and prevention. Number six, GIAC, Security Essentials certification, the GSEC. Now, this certification from the Global Information Assurance Certification is an entry-level security credential for those with some background in information systems and networking. Earning this credential validates your skills in security tasks like active defense, network security, cryptography, incident response, and cloud security. So if you're kind of, I don't know, depending on if you want to be an incident response, that's going to be a good one to get. Now, number seven, Systems Security Certified Practitioner, the SSCP. With this intermediate security credential from ISC2, you can show employers that you have the skills to design, implement, and monitor a secure IT infrastructure. The exam tests expertise in access controls, risk identification and analysis, security administration, incident response, cryptography, and network communications, systems, and application security. So these are some programs, certification programs you want under your belt. It's really going to make you a strong candidate when looking for that nice role in cybersecurity. And I think, I don't know if they all are the same, but I think you have to kind of update them, or every 3-4 years. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm not sure what that process is, so let me know what you think. Please subscribe, please hit the notification bell. I appreciate your viewership, and see you on the next video.